I want tell me a little bit more about like your first responder program, your military rebate program, your referral program, because I think that's interesting that you guys put that together right out of the gate versus
Oh yeah.
figuring it out 5 years from now. I thought that was amazing.
Yeah, well, the main thing is we can't discount insurance. And when we started, that was one of the main things we're doing. We weren't really doing any retail. So there's no way to discount insurance. So we wanted to come up with a way to, you know, bring appreciation to them. So we started a referral program where we had a referral program anyway, you know, 250 for referrals, but we add extra $100 to that if you're a military first responder. It's kind of extended into some other things like nursing or teachers and stuff like that a little bit.
All the
But
heroes.
yeah, all the heroes, you know, I mean, if you are, yeah, all the heroes, that's a good way to put it.
Yeah. It's a great way for us to generate more work, to get our names out there, and it's a great opportunity for people who pour money into these things to kind of it's a way to give back. You know, it's really nice because one of our suppliers, when we order materials through them, for all of our military homeowners that we get the roof done, they pay us in full, but in 2 weeks they get a Visa gift card in the mail. It's like a $300 Visa gift card for like a thank you for their service. So it's nice to be able to offer that, and that's not even from us, but we also do, like he was saying, we do $250 referrals. If you call me, you're like, hey, my buddy's in Georgia and he needs you to come check out his roof, we go look at the roof. We end up coming up with some kind of a deal, whether it's insurance or retail. When we're done with that job, you're going to get 250 or 350 if you're a hero, you know? So it's just, I mean, we're honestly just so blessed, and we're in an awesome predicament. It's just like it would seem like robbery if we didn't have some kind of way to give back, you know? If somebody sends me a $20,000 roof, I mean, I'm not making $20,000, but
Yeah, no.
$250 is worth the referral.
Right.
It's
Yeah.
well
I
worth
mean,
it.
yeah, definitely, man. And it
If you
shows.
spent $1,000 on your deductible, and then over the next 6 months you sent me 4 of your friends that need roofs, you pretty much got a free roof. You know, and we
Yeah.
didn't have to bend any rules to do that. So
Yeah. Do you guys see that a lot? Like where people try to bend the rules out there and try to like,
yeah,
Oh, dude, what? People knock on doors, free roofs all day long.
yeah,
yeah. Yeah. I mean, we see
yeah,
that a lot up here too, as well, you
yeah.
know?
It's the people that are in this industry, man, is just what it brings. Is, I mean, you have to expect it, right? When there's the opportunity and the kind of money that there is in roofing, of course you're going to come up with every intention of them not paying their deductible out the gate to try and win more jobs.
Hmm.
It's not worth it.
No. And
It's
I
absolutely
mean,
not
that's what
worth
you
it.
guys are building. You guys are building trust. You're building community. Like you guys actually get it. You know, you're trying to put those together and you're like, the rest will come. You know, I love it that that's the pieces to your puzzle that you guys are really building that foundation on.
Yeah, it's important.